Are you guys good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, my arm. Look at my arm.
I want to walk around on the other side. See the big one.
Dave, come on, away from the cat.
Oh wow, you got your finger in his mouth.
Her.
Her? That's a her. Oh, she said that's the only girl.
Dave, can you get your hand away from the cat?
She likes it. Tastes good.
The American whose hand was mauled.
Okay.
Dave, that's enough.
Ah.
Okay, away.
Ah.
Dave.
They're quick.
Come, let's go.
Don't get me too.
Then we gotta go. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute.